Welcome back to another episode of Truck Talk. My name's Chris Reed. I'm here at SelecTrucks of Alabama, Birmingham Freightliner, PeteStateTrucks.com. We're already in September. Dadgum, it's going to be Christmas time before you know it. But wanted to give you a little heads up of a little surprise I have in store. We're going to start featuring a how-to tutorial on how a truck is purchased and go through our shop and how we put it on the front line and get ready for you. That way you can see everything that we do put into this to give you the finished product. And hopefully I'll give you a little more insight of what we do here at Select Trucks of Alabama. But please go check out our website, SelecTrucksofAlabama.com. PeteStateTrucks.com, BirminghamFreightliner.com, also our Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram pages for all our inventory. It changes daily, prices change daily. So please give us a call, give us a like, send us a message, see if we can't get you in a new used truck today.